Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to try to transform myself into Selena Gomez. I tried to film this video for like 3 times already, but I have failed miserably. However, I'm going to give it another shot. I'm positive this time. I've done my research. I have a lot of photos of Selena Gomez and I am positive that this time I might get it right. First things first, I'm going to start off with my makeup. So I have already done my foundation and my concealer. First things first, I'm going to set my face. For the next step, I'm going to bronze up my face. Her nose is much shorter than mine, so I'm going to create that by applying a shadow under my nose. So for now, I'm going to leave my nose like this and I'm going to work on my face. So next step is the brows. Her brows are kind of, they go down right here and then they go up. Next step is the eyes. I'm going to use a brown eyeliner to line under my eyes. So now I'm using a flat brush and some brown eyeshadow. I'm not going to create that line that she has under her eyes. First off, I'm going to make my lips look longer. This is the final look. I really don't know what to think about this look. I don't know why, but Selena Gomez, I find it really hard to recreate. The hair is horrible. I know it's not perfect. I know that I need to improve. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure to subscribe and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you would want only. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all later. Bye.